Just give me a second. Tako office లోనే ఉన్నా పార్కింగ్ లో పెట్టా. ఫస్ట్ ఫ్లోర్ లెక్కరా లిఫ్ట్ ఎక్కి. రా మరి. Okay, fine. I'm clicking next here. Table name already exists. Let me give something other table name. Sample orders. Let me click on next. Click on next. Okay, fine. So now go refresh it again to get that data table. Okay, coming. So it is also coming. How come it? Let me check it out. Select the start from what is there in orders table. It is automatically coming. Okay, fine. That was error. So use December 2025. Oh, it is also taking profit also coming. How? Okay, fine. No issue from me, and also you can try to connect the data. So it is coming. No worry. So that is fine. So this is my table name right now. So let's check what we are going to discuss now. Where you are till here, top values, bottom values we have found out. The rank function, which is very important for you. So without rank function, your interview incomplete. So every stage, be it fresher or your experience or whatever it would be, just give me 2 seconds. ఉంది చూడు వైఫై. Sorry for the interruption again for that. Just give me a second again. Okay. Sorry again, guys, for that. This rank function, so very important for you, not only for your interviews, for your the real time also, that you need to work on this rank function. So that too, for pressure level or experience level, whatever you have the experience level, you will get this rank function interview question. So you must be care about it, the rank function, the different types that are there rank function. So you might say in your Power BI also rank how to provide that. So in the Power BI you have seen that skip rank and dense rank. So in the most of the time we have worked with the dense rank in your Power BI. So this is fine. That rank is different. Now we are discussing here the SQL database rank is different. So observe. So functionality is the same. Skip what it did. So whenever we discussed about the Power BI, the skip rank done. So what it has done? So it is going to give that rank. So whenever you get that same value, it is giving you duplicate rank. But when you go for the give next rank, what it is giving you? It is going to count the from first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next number would be 10. So this is how skip rank will give you the result. But the problem is with the dense rank, what it has given? Dense rank given that it is also giving you the same rank for the duplicate values. So for example, like this. So what it is going to give you the next immediate rank, observe here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So next rank would be the 7. If you consider it as a skip rank in your Power BI, but here it is not going to take that. So it is going to give that the next immediate rank. So it means that it is not going to skip it. So this much we know from the Power BI side. But here in the database side, it is not like that only the two cases that you have. So here that 4 different ways that you have to do it, the rank functions. Now observe here that, so you have rank functions. One is the rank, and the second function is the row number, and the third function is the dense rank, and the next one is the entile. So entile is the different one. So now observe here, these 4 ranks that are important for you to understand. So what it is going to give you whenever you go for the rank, observe. So whenever you go for the rank, so first observe here that row number. So this is very simple thing. So no row number rank function, what it is going to give you? It is going to give you that just row number only. So you don't think about that whether it is the duplicate value or non-duplicate value or whatever it would be the value. So it is going to give you just like a serial number, nothing bigger. So just like your index number. So that is the case, it is going to give you row number. So this is not big case that nobody will ask you. But the problem is in the interviews. So they will ask you what are the different types of the ranks that are there available in your SQL database. That is fine. You can tell that 4 rank types that are there. One is rank, row number, dense rank, and entile. But the problem in the interviews are in the real time. So you mostly face with the rank, and dense rank very mostly you are going to face. Then what is the difference between them? Let's understand one by one. So first you have to understand whenever you go for dense is the same. In your Power BI also, here also the same. So but the rank function, what it is going to give you? So it is also assign the rank. So every rank function is giving you to assign the rank only. But the problem is whenever you have the duplicate values. So for these duplicate values, it is assign the same rank. That is fine. So which means that, can we take the example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. So whenever you have duplicates 4, 4, 4 like this, it is going to give you the same rank. Don't worry, I will show you in the real time example. Just observe only. So how to explain in the theoretically in your real time. So interviews, that is only just observe. So now observe whenever you go for the dense rank. So this dense rank and ranks, they will ask you the difference between them. So when to go for the rank, when to go for the dense rank. This is the interview question most of the time, the recent one they are asking. So this is also giving you assign the rank. And it is also allowing you to duplicate values. So which means that duplicates that is there. But duplicates it is giving you same rank. But here observe here that, so whenever you get that same rank, so for example, you are getting the same rank for the third rank like this. So it is not going to skip the order. So it is going to give like this. So but here observe here that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So next immediate number is the 9 and 10. So it means that so many 4, 5, 6. So these are all the so many numbers that are missing. That is called a skip. So that is we are used to call it here as a rank function. In the Power BI we used to call it as a skip rank. That is terminology is very simple. In your Power BI you can understand skip means it is skipping the rank order. But here that, so in your SQL Server, so you simply call it as a rank. This rank same working as the skip rank. So dense rank. Entile, we will understand about the entile. First, let's check with these three ranks. So these three rank functions. First, let me go with the row number. So what is the row number will give you? Row number, just assign the row only, nothing bigger. So whenever you go write some, the any kind of this rank, you must follow the some order. Not just like the way we did for the, by using this order of the classes. So on top of that order of the classes, you must follow the some of the things. So let me make you somewhat very basic thing. Let me make you understand here. So whenever you go for the any such kind of the rank, you just observe what you do. This is confusing that you can't understand. So let me take very simple scenario over here. So this is fine. So that is directly written, but let me make you observe here. Otherwise, let me take, this is also so simple. Observe. So what you did so far, so you are going to follow the order. So that order is that you are following. So first select class, next from class, select a class, that how many items that you want to take, which means that column names you can take. So from class that you are taking pointing to the table. So what is the table name that is there? That is fine. Now how you are going to write that rank? Observe here. So between that select class and from class, you are going to write that rank function. So how you are going to write it here? Just observe. So what you do, the first thing you just have to take that. So whatever the number, the rank type that you want to take, the same thing. So you just only need to replace it. After immediate of your rank type, you have to follow the certain condition. That condition you can give that over, and within the braces, what is the column that you are pointing to get the rank. So this is very important. Now observe here that I am taking the order by. Order by we have used at the end in the order of the classes, but here in the rank function, you have to use certain condition, that condition over. Then after that order by, whatever the column that you want to pointing to the give rank. So that is you are mentioning here. Ascending order or descending order you can provide. And for this entire rank, so you are going to create that one alias name. This is alias name, nothing bigger. So you can give something the ranking alias name. So from table, that is simple thing. So nothing bigger. So only you have to focus on this condition, how you are going to provide. So this is rank type is the same. So whatever the rank type that you are going to take, this will be the same. Just observe here. So this is already there, order table. I'm going to write here. So let me take the sales only. So just to give comma, I'm going to write here the rank function. So that rank function, so let me write row number. So whenever you hit the row number, it will become pink color. Observe. So just to open close braces, you just give just condition observe over you have to give, then open braces. So you must follow certain order to give the rank. So for what column? Sales column. What order you want? Descending order I want. So I want to give some alias name for this. So ranking I'm giving. So from which table that you are going to point in? Simple thing. So from your orders table. Perfect. You go execute it. So you will get the rank here. So did you observe here that you are getting the rank over here? So is there any similar numbers that are there? I will let you know. Same values not there. So profit column is also there. Let me take the profit. So let me write that one more. I want some duplicate values to show you that other rank functions. So let me write profit column is also there. Let me check with this. So row number, you just give over order by. So whatever profit that you are taking, and you can give that descending order. So prof ranking, I'm giving different alias name from your orders table. So let me execute it. So is there similar values anywhere? So this is different. Somewhere we might find for this sales only. Let me check it out. Not for this scenario, for other scenario. So this is how serial number will come for your row number only. So nothing bigger. Row number will give you row number only. So that is fine. Let it be. We will check it out whether we will get the duplicate values. First understand here that we have taken only the profit. So can I take the one more, the column here? Let me take region. Can't I take? Go check it out. Yes, successfully you can get. So can I take that any other numbers? So for example, let me take here something. So what should I take? So category, let me take, or state you can take. So anything that you take, that is fine. So it is not going to pointing that whatever you are taking these non-aggregated values. So what it is going to pointing based on whatever you are giving here the order. So based on this only it is going to provide that row number. So but this row number is going to give you serial number only, just series. So nothing bigger. You can't see the any effect. You can't see anything over here. So let me make this something the change here. So for example, I'm giving select. So only region I'm going to take. And let me take some sales or profit, whatever it is, you can take it. So now I'm going to write here that rank row number. So you can take over. So this is your condition. So what I did here that just taking order by. So whatever it is that sales I'm taking a descending order I want. So I'm giving some alias name. Some alias name is sales rank. Something I'm giving. So that is alias name only, nothing bigger. From whatever your table that is there. Perfect. So this much you already know. You go and execute it, you will successfully get it. Now the problem is whenever you go see here that your regions are the separate regions that are coming up. So now can I able to make them in the something the order? So that is what I'm thinking. So now observe here that what I do. So in this the condition I'm going to use here that something the order. So here I'm going to use that partition by, I'm going to give here that region. So which means that I want region separate partition, which means that east separate, south separate, west separate, north separate, like this. So I don't want like this too many. So let me check it out whether I will get that bulk. So group rank, can I get it or not? So now observe here that all central at one place. So you go down, you will get that other regions also. So too many central, just like this, you can make them separate. So this is how what partition will give you. It is going to give you some order. So based on that order, it is going to give you how it is taking. So first C will come. So the order, so ABCD. So like just like that, it is going to give you. So nothing bigger. So now let's understand the difference between two different ranks, which are very important. That is that dense rank and so rank function. So these are also the same thing. So that you are going to write. So what we are doing for this is the dense rank and this is the rank function scenario. So nothing is there, we will write there. So what it is going to change here, only the thing is that your rank name only. So now observe very simple thing, let me take. So select, I'm going to take the sales only for your understanding. So let me take here that rank only, rank function. So open braces, condition is this one, nothing bigger. So first let me take simple one, order by. So you can take what is the column that you want to pointing, this column, what is the order that you want, that one. So I'm going to give here that some alias name, ranking sales. So you can give any name, don't worry, alias name. So finally you are going to pointing to whatever the table that you are taking. So fine, it is giving. So whenever there is any duplicates, let me check any duplicate rank here. Here observe here the two same values. So you are getting that 21, same rank for the duplicates. But when you go for the next one, it is going to skip the 22. So which means one time it is repeating 21, 2 times. So that's why 21 it is taking, 22 it is taking, the remaining one it is giving you 23. So which means that, so it is skipping the order. So that is the one thing observe for the rank. The same thing observe here that whenever we go apply for this, so dense rank, select sales. So let me give here the dense rank. The same procedure, nothing is there bigger over. So you can give here that order by whatever the sales that is there. You can give descending order. So let me give some alias name, dense ranking. So I'm going to take the table. Perfect. Now you go and execute it. Now you can see the result, the same 21. So observe here that two are the duplicates that are there. These two duplicate values, it is giving you the same rank, but the problem is it is not skipping the order. So whenever you go for the rank, it skip the order of your rank. But whenever you go for the dense rank, it is not skipping the order. But when it comes to the duplicate values, it is assigned the same duplicate rank also. So that is one thing you just observe. So did you observe in your any M set or I set, they are giving you the rank 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. So you might think that some of the ranks that are missing in between. So they will give 1, 1, 1, 5, 5, 7, 7, 7 like that. So what they are following, because of that, they are following the rank function. Because the whatever the same rank that you are assigning, that is giving you the duplicate. So which means same guys are getting the same rank. But the next guy whosoever getting the another score, they are getting the another rank which is order. So this is considered first, second rank, third rank like this. So whenever you go for the dense rank, it won't think like that. So it is giving you the same rank for the duplicates, but the problem is it won't skip the order. So this is how you just have to understand. But in your real time, mostly we are using the dense rank because of no client want to the skip the order. So client don't understand. So this is just a purpose of your examination that you can easily understand why they are giving you ranks like that. This is the purpose that you client want to understand why you are getting that the rank wise without skipping the order. So this is one thing you just have to understand. So now let me increase that some of the more understanding here. Just add the so many columns. So let me give same thing category. You can take it, or you can take it subcategory. So I don't know subcategory hyphen is there or not. Let me check first. And let me take some state, and you can take some city, or you can take any customer ID. So that is fine. Sales you can take, profit you can take. So that is simple thing. So now I'm going to apply the 1 rank. So for example, let me give here that rank. Otherwise row number observe. Row number will give you simply serial number, nothing bigger. I'm going to write here that over. This is my condition. And I'm going to give here. So you already can understand. I'm going to partition. So I'm going to partition by. So now I want to partition by category. So let me give category. So don't give comma. You can take that any sales or whatever you want to take. Order by you can take. So order by sales you can give descending order, and alias name you must give here that. So row number rank something. So from your what is the table that you are taking. So this is simple how you are going to write. So go and execute it. Now you will get all. So based on what you are making the partition, based on your category. So observe, this is how all items are at one place, similar items, and giving you the rank for that. The next group rank. So observe here, after this item only it is going to change. So it's not about the changing, it is giving you the same rank. So don't consider that every item is going to give you the separate rank. So that is one thing you just observe. So too many furniture. Okay, you go and check it out, office supplies. So this is how observe. The next rank is going to give you for the next item. So this is how partition will help you to get the separate rank. So it will never go on group together and giving you the total sum of sales like this. That is the different story. We will understand that entail. So this is how. So now one thing you just have to observe the row number. So wherever there is the duplicate numbers, so it not thinking about the duplicate values. For example, 21st record now that one. So we already duplicated it. So now observe. Select sales only. I'm taking for your understanding that row number is not giving you duplicate. So this is very clarity you must require to maintain. Otherwise, in your interviews or real time, you face some issues. So something ranking I'm giving from your order table. Go and execute it. So 19th, 20th number now. So observe here, these two are the similar numbers, but it is not thinking about the duplicate values or not duplicate values. It is assigned the separate rank. So this is how the function work with the row number. So it means assign only the rank. You don't think about that anything. So now let me go with the another one. So otherwise let me copy the same thing. Why writing again and again? So now I'm just changing the rank only. So here that I'm giving rank function now. Nothing bigger. So what I'm using here also partition I'm using. So based on what category wise. So if I remove the partition, we will understand. If it is there, the partition we will understand. First, there is the partition now. Go and check it out. So observe the same thing it is giving. So go check with the another one, the rank, how it is going to give you. Furniture items. Okay, fine. So this is also giving you separate. So based on your value, that is fine. But the problem is what it is going to give you. The rank is going to give the skip of your order of the rank. That is only one thing. Remember. The same thing I'm going to apply without using the partition. So they will ask in the interviews to write the query for the ranking. In such cases also you have to be very ready with that. So now observe, it is mixture of the all the things. So where there is the duplicate values, you can understand. So based on whatever the column that you are giving here, this is keep in mind. So based on this only, it is providing the rank. So 21 now somewhere. So here the duplicate values that is there. It is not giving any duplicate. Did you observe? So even you are using here the row number only. Let me give. So this is something missing. Wait. Now go check the 21st. Observe here that same rank is giving you same order. But your order is missing here, which means your order is skipped. The same thing we'll observe for this. So dense rank. Fine, you go and execute the same. Go check for that 21st it is giving you same rank, but it is not skipping the order. Simple thing. If you go apply the partition, that is another story. Partition by whatever the region also you can take. So even the item it is not selected over here, you can take that. So but that column should be there in your table. So now you can observe. So based on that value only it is giving. But if you want to check it out region wise also, you can add over here if you want. Otherwise leave it. So this is all central part at one place. So go to the next one. You can see that your rank will gonna start from first again. So that is how you just have to understand. So this rank and dense rank, these are all you have to do it. So that is fine. So let me check with the end tile. There is the one more that is there. So row number, nobody will ask you, but you have to understand what row number will give you. So mostly you will get in the interviews dense rank, difference between dense rank and your, that is the rank function. So not only here, if some people trying to play the trick, so they will ask you that what is the difference between this skip rank and dense rank from your Power BI also. So both are all, so these are all functioning the same. So don't confuse it. So whenever you are answering, whether they are asking from the Power BI side or whether they are asking from your database side, you have to ready with them. So row number is just like index number that is going to assign the rank. So number, not index. So there is the one more beautiful one, that is the end type. So n tile means here that number of tiles, nothing bigger. So for example, here the number of tiles, did you observe if you have any house, at your home, so you might have the, the floor covering with the tiles. So for example, your bedroom is covering with the 10 tiles. So what it is going to cover that? So total you might have that 200 in the feet, so entire thing. So these 200 feet of your entire area is going to cover with only 10 tiles. So which means that your each tile is the very bigger one. The same manner here, what it is going to work out the entire. So it is going to give you that the same rank. So you can give that same rank for group of items. So that group of items, how many in the how many the items that you want to make the group, that is your choice. For example, I have 100 total items. So these items I want to make the 10 groups only. So how many I can give for the each group? I can give 10. So 10 multiplied 10, 100. For example, if you want to make them only the 5 groups. So how many each group that you can give here? That 20 items. The same manner you have to provide that condition entirely. So very rarely ask in the interviews. So nobody will ask you such great level. So based on your interview skills, based on your answering well, so they are trying to ask that how much knowledge that you have more than this. So in such cases, they will ask you this. In this end title, observe. So for example, I am giving here that 5 groups I want. So this is the scenario. 100 items are there, but I want to make them 5 groups and provide the rank. So these 5 groups, observe here that. So for example, first group. So first group, they are giving you first rank. And the second group, observe here that. So one more group that is there. This is the second group. They are giving you second rank. And the third group like this, they are going to give you. So in the finally, there will be the fifth group. So fifth group, it is going to assign that fifth rank. Simple. Nothing bigger. So this is how. So, but each group, how many items there will be? 20 items. So here also each group, every group is containing the 20 items. So here also the same. So this is how you just have to understand from other ranks to this rank. So your n tile is number of tiles is going to make the group of the items, the how many items that you want to make the group, that is your choice. But these ranks are the different. So you just observe here. So let me write the same thing. For example, here I am taking very simple scenario. Let me take select. So what should I take? So region sales. Let me try this way. Otherwise, we will check it out. So by taking the sum scenario, n tile. So this n tile, I want to give that something 10 groups. Okay, fine. The same condition over. You can give here that auto by. This is already. So descending order, and you can give that n tile rank, and you can take your table. Fine. Let me try like this, how it is going to give you. Now observe here that. So it is giving you first rank to the total 10 groups. It is going to make total items. How many items that are there? 9994. 9994 is contain the 10 items. So this is very small number because 10,000 records are there. Let me give something 200 groups I want to make. So total items I want to make 200. Go and execute it. Now observe. So at the end you will see. So till here, how many it is becoming? Every 50 is become the first rank only. It is giving you 1 rank. So if you make entire your 9994 rows into the group, it is divided. So 200 groups. So each one is containing the 50 items. That is how it understand. Just go like this, you can understand total, you will reach out the 200 groups. So this is how it give you. Simple thing. So you can check here the row number also. So this is 200. Let me give less number. Let me give 50 only. Go and observe, execute it. Fine. Now you go check how many groups it is making. So it is making the equally divided for the 50 groups. So this is how the entile will work out. So you can add that as many items as you want on the select statement. Let me give some reason, or let me give some category or subcategory. You can take city, state, or any order date or order ID you can take. And the sales you can take, profit you can take, or you can take quantity. So that is fine, but you have to understand that based on what you are going to make the how many groups. For example, I'm giving here something 100 groups over. So let me give here that, let me take that partition now. So partition by, I'm going to take the partition region wise. Let me try it out. So whether we can get the right result or not. So order by, let me take the profit. So profit descending order I'm taking, fine. So you can give alias name, entire ranking, something alias name you can give, nothing bigger. So from your orders table, perfect. Let me try to execute it. So invalid quantity, where is the quantity, spelling is wrong. Okay, fine, now perfect. Go select it again and go and execute. So now observe. So this is making how many groups we have given, 100 groups. So whatever the items that you are taking, that is not caring about it. It is going to pointing to how many rows that are there. How can I equally make them into the group and providing the same rank. So we have given 100. So 100 groups that are come. Simple. This is how the rank function will work out. So this is one thing you have to observe. And the next thing, so what they are asking you, the most important interview questions, and the real time also you have to do it. So that is that how to find out the top sales by using the rank functions. So far we already know that how to write the rank function by the top value, top sales value, bottom sales value we have seen. So by using the top function. So instead of that, I just wanted to use here that is the rank functions. So how you can achieve that? So whenever you get such scenarios, so very frequently you are getting this scenario in the real time. So observe here that, so how you can write it? You already know that. So this much how you can provide the ranking. So you already know this is the select items, whatever the items that you want to take, that is fine. And you know condition how to write. The dense rank I'm taking over. So partition by region I'm taking on the sales descending order. This is alias name. And from which table that you are going to pointing, that is fine. So now I want to get that the top values or bottom values. In such cases, what I do, so I want to convert this rank function into the temporary table. So this is your temporary table. I'm giving alias name. So which means that this is entire thing is becoming the sub query or query that you can consider. So in this query or sub query, we are going to write that correlated query on top of this. So this is how you are going to write the correlated queries. So what it is making, there is already some sub query over there. So query inside the query. So entire thing I'm going to make it the temporary table and I'm going to pick the entire values. So all the values, select a star from this table. Now this is your table. And from this table, I want to provide that where, so my this number, whatever here that you are providing this alias name, this number less than or equal to 3, which means that on this you are getting the top 3. So this is how you get. So now understand here that how we can write the same thing, nothing bigger. So very important whenever you want to achieve that any top values, top 3 or top 5, that is fine. So in such cases, they will ask you the top n, for example, top n or bottom n. So in such cases, we will check that scenario also. First, let me make you understand this basic one. So first, let me write some ranking one. So let me take some region. Let me take category. And you can take some city. I'm taking sales. You know why too many. So I'm giving here the dense rank. So that is why frequently we are using dense rank observe. So over. So let me take partition. Okay, I'm not using partition now. I don't want to make the partition. Sales and descending order I'm giving, and we can give alias name, that is ranking, and from your orders table. Fine, go and execute it. First check your query. So this is fine, perfectly coming. Your rank is also assigned. So you check whether the same rank it is giving or not. Yes. So I think 1 or 2 records you can check if you have data with you. Fine. So now I want to make it as a one subquery and convert this as a temporary table. I'm giving here the temp table. Fine. Now I want to write here that correlated query here. Now select star from. Now your this enter your table. This is your table. So now what you want condition? Oh. What you want to provide your condition, observe here. So where, so whatever you have taken that alias name inside that ranking function, that is you just copy and paste here. And you want top 5, so you can give like this. Go and check it out. So this is how you get top 5. So now for example, if I am using here the partition by, observe. Partition by, I am taking region wise only. Let me take region wise. Now go and execute it. So now observe here, every partition, central is giving you top 5 ranks, east is giving you top 5 rank, and south is giving you top 5 rank, and west is giving you top 5 rank. Such scenarios you have to face in your Power BI as well as here also. So whenever you go for the validation purpose, you have to do. For example, tomorrow you want top 10, simple. You can enter here 10 only. So whatever the number you enter, this is giving you. So let me take this copy, entire thing. So why writing for multiple times? For example, in such cases, I want to give here that greater than something 100 rank or too many records that are there. 9994 we have records. So what I do, I want to give something 9000 greater than 9000, which means that above 9000 values it is going to give you. So go execute it. So are you getting anything? No. Let me give 100. Let me check with this one small amount. So you will get above 100